Yo, shut up.
I know we too far away.
Here, let me look at it. Let me
Ah!
try.
Move,
Down they crack like a punk, man.
I want it.
Alright, so did I tell mama on you about anything? No.
Add me on Facebook.
Let me just see.
Let me use it.
RBT so beastie.
Shut up.
Shut up.
You ain't so good.
Shut up. Hater.
That's the chopper, like.
Wait, no, it's RBT 2 beastie. Yes, RBT 2 beastie.
Shut up.
Error.
RBT 2 beastie what?
I'm too
beastie on what?
I'm too beastie.
What does RBT stand for?
Let me do a little bit.
It's my initials, and I'm not telling you my initials.
RBT.
It is.
Bro, Jay.
I'm putting this on YouTube. Screw that. And they got the chopper.
Where all them cars coming from?
No, no. It's really weird. I think they did put it on us.
Roger, you freak out.
Freaking Roger ugly. And they got Donald right there. Trying like you. Look at him trying to walk away.
I'll kill anybody.
No, you always trying to act like you gangster. And that's Simone and them way over there.
I'm gang bang. I gang bang.
But you go to
I
church.
gang bang, but I still go to church.
This is going on. I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel.
Put this on YouTube.
You gay. You gay. I'm saving this on Street Phones. We gonna show everybody you acting like a little gay lord. Look at Roger. Hey, I ain't thinking RBT okay. And I should have the fence trying to get real close. If there was a way, if I was from over here, I'd have that fence to go and get close to the chopper. I told you, I said the chopper landing. Somebody was like, no, it's not. Was that you down there?
No, I didn't think it was landing because it just had the light.
That thing was getting way too low.
Hey, are those people up there or are those fire people?
Everybody over there is fire department.
Excuse me.
Hey!
Shut up.
Hey! What happened? I wish we had them like all black and we could like have
Nah,
this look.
You can, homie.
You're a
I'm
retard.
wearing white. I'm wearing all like Philly. They gonna run up in my mother house.
Look, that's the pilot right there. He got the helmet on.
Why you do your shit like that?
Look. And there's some random dog. He's running around. Look, you can't even see the people, but they're walking right there.
Signal, look. Look the shot line inside.
That's the flight thing.
The light inside.
Where?
Look. You don't see it?
We need to like go up
Sorry.
there because I'm bored. Like,
I know, like, dang. I'm trying to see the chopper thing. And there's a ton.
hey, is it recording with sounds?
Yeah, it is recording with sounds.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture.
They got a monster truck. Look, it's about to go. Look, it's playing around.
There was an accident or something happened over there.
Hey, it didn't even feel my hand. That's bogus.
Oh, he said the accident coming up.
Let me see.
Stop!
That's it!
No!
Yes!
Oh my god. Oh my god. I gave you.
Like they can have it.
They must be in critical condition. Man, you could.
you putting this on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm putting it on YouTube. Damn. Thank you. Like I can see clear. I can see the helicopter clear. That's the paramedic helicopter. But like on the camera, you can't see nothing. If you don't get your ugly stuff out the camera, squad right now on camera, put this on YouTube. Get down. Some weird dog.
Look at that way right there.
It's dark.
That's a stupid dog.
Look, you can look at the dog. He run over there with a paramedic.
There is a man or woman or both getting called.
It looked like a woman was putting that helicopter.
And woman thing on the stretcher. Going.
And there's a big old crowd of people now. When we were the first ones on the scene. Bunch of cars and stuff parked outside. And now the chopper should be taking off, man. I just want to get real close.
No.
Who is that? Who is that?
You staying here or you going home?
I want to stay. You see, actually?
Johnny is coming.
Johnny is coming.
Remember, add me on Facebook, RBC.
Yeehaw!
Add him on Facebook. Get a Twitter.
Oh, you ain't even got Twitter.
I hear it. Somebody got in a car accident around the corner. They had to bring the helicopter here to so it could land.
Car accident.
Cause that's what he said. Uh oh, here we go. Oh shoot. Alright, it's been 7 minutes. They sure are slow for them. If they need to go to the hospital, they take forever. They go a firefighter. Freaking ugly, man. I'm tired of the camera gonna break. That's some type of fire truck. I wonder if I got real close with it, freaking knock me on the. You can tell it's about to take off.
You'll probably break the phone.
There it goes.
Lifting off. Okay, what is it? Not jumping in the seat.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot, it's coming this way. Come on.
Not.
Ah, yeah. Exactly.
That's all, folks.
No, that's not. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
That's all, folks.
That's all. Let's go. Let's go home. Break it up, guys. And I'm the one recording. How you put it on the front camera? Cause I gotta see myself. Stop, man.
Don't be
grabbing the freaking phone.
End it. God, it's over.
I guess you can't do
Nobody
it.
wants to see me anyway.
No, gosh.
Hey, what if it hit us?
We'll be next.
Exactly.